Uba El Taryang EDC Southwest Khas Hills District minta ke sengi ulayo ban play perda but odru ya uribon ya kawei ke Jaka Jing Hikai Naka Bynta ke Khelo India Center Hamadan jong ke Nativity Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat ha ke jingedan langru u District Sports Officer uba Damang Singkon u Reverend Father Venki Friding Khars Imyong u bedeiru u Principal jong ke Nativity Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat haringkat da ke jinga sakhi langki kena school kinong Hikai but la pinchet ngan shu yakani gasngi da ka jingsha jongki khina school hakani gasngi la yoru ban ot yu ribbon jonga kamra trekam na ka Bynta ka Khelo India Center hapo jonga school Nativity but kumjuru ki la yoru ban let jureb yaki Jaka na ka Bynta ban ai Jing Hikai yaki khina ki ba khat saw snem hadu khat handu snem hadu saw snem hakaba ki don hadu lai phongot ki khina kin thei bat shinrang ki ban sa sha ai Jing Hikai pintbit na ki arngot ki nong Hikai kata uba Jomsing Star Ramsit bat ka kong bada sharai marwen na ka Bynta ka archery bat ka athletic.
From the school there will be 30 athletes, 20 are from the school and 10 will be from outside, okay? So these from outside, there will be athletes who have represented I think some of them are very experienced, so they will be also acting as mentors for these young students from this school. And in this 4 years, you will be provided with the relevant equipments so that you can train with all the right kits, okay, in a proper manner, so that you will have the necessary expertise to excel in all these track and field events.
The 30 students who have been selected, please remember that you should stay determined. Remember that this is a place where your future will be built if you are determined enough. There's a saying, aim for the moon, at least you'll hit the lamppost. Please remember that. Do not give up, do not complain, but keep going. I remember my school, back then in school when I was in Christian Academy, my teacher used to tell me, Krekot hadu daha kikmat. And I did. And I'm standing right now, right here, because I did that. And there was a coach who made us run, and he said that in Kasi, I still remember, Mare adu dalan dajan banyap. What yap? Mare adu dajan banyap. This is determination, and I want you to remember these things. Be determined, pray to God, believe, and just do it. Congratulations, Nativity. I would like to congratulate all the parents, all the teachers, all the dear students. This is a very big achievement, not only for your school, but also for the district as a whole.